How to hide Instagram following and follower list. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you hide your Instagram following and follower list. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app with your account. After you open Instagram, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, tap on three lines at the top right. Now from the settings and activity, simply you'll have to scroll down and tap on account privacy. From your tap and turn on for private account. Simply tap on switch to private at the bottom. Now from here, only the approved follower can see your post and follower list. As usual, you can remove any specific follower. Simply from your profile section, go to follower list and you can tap remove next to the person you want to hide your profile from. They won't be notified but still no longer to see your post on follower and follower list. After that, your problem should be fixed. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.